Hi guys. In this video, we will talk about how to delete Asana account. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open the application. Once the app will be open, on the bottom of your mobile screen, you will see multiple options. Make sure you select the option Account, which is on the right bottom. After it now, take a look on the right top. You will see your profile icon. Click on it, and here, tap on the option View Profile. Once you will tap on the option View Profile, here you can see the icon Delete My Account. Click on it, and here tap on the option Continue. After tapping on the option Continue, your account will be deleted. But make sure you read everything. The action will result in immediate loss of access to us and permanent removal of your account, and all the data will be removed and there is no option of recovery. Once you read and you confirm about deleting, click on the option Continue and do the following process and your account will be deleted. And that's it.